y'all's little wig off, Hannah, because that monkey. Anyway, so as I'm driving, guess what I done ran into? Look at that. The actual Bush's Baked Beans factory. Look at that. And this is their little, hold on, let me zoom out, museum, and then they have like a family cafe restaurant. Let's go check it out. AJ Bush and Co. Look at that.
Smells like syrup.
You don't like it? Really?
Yeah. No, it's...
Yeah, it is pink.
So what they had to do was to hire an actor dog to play the part of Duke. So Duke is not the same one. Unlike University of Georgia, University of Georgia has their Uggos. They went into the football season with Ugga number 11. They are the same blood. How's that, ladies? Very great.
Uh-oh. Try Bush's country style baked beans.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Welcome.
Thank you.
This is the map up here that shows you where we get our beans from.
Oh, over there? Oh, wow. That's awesome. Let's look at the map. So this is where they get all their beans from.
Bush's sources the highest quality beans from across North America and even Canada. And we're proud to work with a number of family farms, some of which share not only a business partnership.
Where are the beans hot spots?
Beautiful Corvette. He and my father would go out and they would look at fields and they would count beans in the pod and they would say,
Did
this
not
is
know
going to
that.
be a great crop. But really, Bush Brothers
does
was
Bush
instrumental in
get
the
our
reason why
beans?
Chippewa Valley bean
Where?
exists.
Oh, interesting. Which state grows the most beans? North Dakota. That's good to know. How many beans does Bush use in a day? That's a good question. Oh, wow. Look at this. Y'all better have a Bush museum. Look at all the beautiful Bush beans. All their products.
Thank you for visiting the AJ Bush store and our museum. We hope you enjoyed your visit and come back soon.
Yes, ma'am. Beautiful souvenir. Let's find a souvenir. Shut up. They got Bush's black bean dip. Oh my God, I'm getting one. Store. Here. Got little marks here. That's too cute. A little blanket. Some little merch. That's a nice little apron. Oh, that's nice. I don't need that. That's a little bit too excessive. Of course, I had to get some souvenirs, some goodies. Oh, they got a little cafe too. I'm not really hungry. Maybe I'll go look at their menu. Is that not pretty? Those freaking mountains. Oh my gosh, so beautiful.